Hi, my name is Chef Jelly, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best buttercream. Here we're making Chef Jelly's buttercream. The secret to my buttercream is to use margarine. Here we have a pound of margarine. This is what it usually looks like when you buy it in the store, but today we're only using half of it. So you cut it into fourths and it looks like this. Here. So we're using these 2 sticks of margarine, which is equivalent to 1 cup of margarine. And to that 1 cup, we're adding 1 cup of shortening. So for every 50 to margarine, you add a 50 of shortening. So white, normal shortening. So let's say it again. 1 cup of margarine and 1 cup of shortening. To every 1 cup of these 2 combined, so 1 cup and 1 cup, so that's 2 cups, you add 1 pound of powdered sugar. Here is a 2-pound bag, so we're only going to use half of that. And here we have vanilla and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. We're going to start adding our sticks of margarine into our mixer. And you're going to mix that until it's all creamy. To our butter, now we're going to add our 1 cup of shortening. Now when it looks all creamy, we're going to start scraping it down to make sure that everything is well incorporated. Once your butter and shortening are creamed well together, we're going to add our sugar into our mixture. You can just go ahead and add it all. You don't need to gradually add it because it's all going to get mixed together anyway. Just be careful when you turn it on, it doesn't explode everywhere because it's hard to clean. If it starts to look lumpy, that's okay, you're doing it right. Don't freak out. Increase the speed to make it all well incorporated together. Once it looks like you're done, you're really not. You're gonna add 2 tablespoons of milk into this buttercream. You're gonna mix it on low until it incorporates and then back on high to make sure that it's all incorporated. And once it looks done, you're not gonna be done. You're gonna scrape it all around for that final assurance to make sure that everything is well put together. Before we turn it back on, we're going to add our flavor. We have here vanilla. So we're making vanilla buttercream. So we're gonna add vanilla. You're gonna measure it with the cap. So we're gonna add 2 capfuls vanilla. 1, 2. And now for a final stir, and after that you should be done. And now your buttercream is done. To this, you can add food coloring or just use as is because it's done. If you like this buttercream and you like how I made it, please check out other recipes. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and hit like on this video. With daily updates, follow me on Instagram @ChefJellies with an S. Don't forget to check in next week.